Hello dears, welcome to me channel. I'll show you the best way to use eggs to get firm, youthful looking, and flawless skin. This mask only requires one egg. Dear friends, from which country are you watching our channel? Write about it in the comments. It's very interesting to know. We only use egg whites for this. Next ingredient, gram flour. This will help tighten the skin more. Helps tighten your skin so it doesn't hang down. If you don't have gram flour, you can use cornmeal or rice flour. Dear friends, from which country are you watching our channel? Write about it in the comments. It's very interesting to know. The next thing I'll add to this is yogurt. This will make your skin look younger, softer, and then flawless. Mix the ingredients well until they become creamy. Finally, we need to add a remedy that helps get rid of scars, which is lemon. Lemon helps whiten the skin. In addition, lemon helps get rid of blemishes and dark spots. Dear friends, from which country are you watching our channel? Write about it in the comments. It's very interesting to know. This mask is a younger looking, radiant, flawless firming agent. So it is a powerful tool to help tighten your skin. Apply the prepared mask to cleansed facial skin. If you want to tighten your skin, not only your skin but also look younger, use this mask. If you are 50 and want to look younger, use this. This will help get rid of dark spots. And it gives you supple skin, and that's good. Try this. If you don't have gram flour, use corn flour or rice flour. It will give you the same result. Try this. If you don't have gram flour, use corn flour or rice flour. It will give you the same result. This will help tighten your skin, meaning your wrinkles will be reduced. And also helps to lighten and brighten, and get rid of scars. This is so smooth on the face that it makes your face so smooth. Whiten and leave your skin looking very young and scar-free. You can apply this mask to your neck and any other part of your skin. Apply it to your face, and then massage your face to squeeze it into your skin. You need to massage it in properly and very gently so that it can absorb into the skin. Take the time to massage this. Massage for at least 3 minutes. Apply the mask to your face and wait for it to dry. Apply to your face for 10 minutes to dry. You leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. You can also massage it on your neck. Repeat this for 3 days. Dear friends, from which country are you watching our channel? Write about it in the comments. It's very interesting to know. Second recipe with eggs for anti-wrinkles. Anti-aging ingredient in bananas. Cucumber. get rid of wrinkles. Banana peel. Olive oil. You apply this to the wrinkled area and leave it for 20 minutes. This should be done before going to bed. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse. This should be done before going to bed. This will not only get rid of wrinkles, but will also make your skin look very smooth.